Hey folks, Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. You might recognize this one. It's a 1989 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. This one's got a manual transmission, 49,500 miles. Bought this car a little while back from a friend of mine who owned it for many years here locally. He was the second owner. I sold it to another friend of mine pretty recently, and after a little while he realized that he didn't want to drive a stick in his area of town he lives in. Is very populated, nothing but stop and go traffic, the Galleria area of Houston. So he said, hey man, will you find me an automatic? So we're finding him an automatic. In the meantime, we've got this beautiful car back on the market. We paint corrected this car. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The chrome ponies are flawless. Tires are like new. All the goodies under the hood. I've got pictures in the gallery under the hood. It's got headers, Flowmasters, all that good stuff. Now, after my buddy bought it from me, did add this roll bar with the third brake light, so that's new. He also added a screen in here with CarPlay. He changed all of the speakers in here to Polk. There's 2 subs in the back. What else? And a Viper alarm system with the GPS tracking on it. So he spent some money on it, upgraded some things. The system is loud. Car runs great. Original paint, it's beautiful. There's some minor little things, like here's a little touch-up spot. And there's a little spot here. Just minor little stuff. If there's anything else. Looks like there's another little touch-up that happened here. Rear bumpers. Got a little mark, the clear coat on the tape right there. So very, very minor. This car is beautiful. It's got the Momo steering wheel. The seats were custom upholstered. Got all the suspension stuff too. So really nice. These are coming up in value. Everything 80s, 90s is getting very, very popular. This is the perfect color. It's got the right mods. It's got the big saline wing on it. The ground effects. I mean, it's a Fox body. This is the one to have. So hit me up. We can ship this to you enclosed or open. Got pictures with the top up. The top is brand new. Fun to drive. It's got the short shifter in it too. Clutch has been done, everything. If you need financing, we can help with that. If you have your own financing, that's great. Oh, this car does have a rear camera now also as part of that stereo system. It's got a rear camera. So any questions, just holler at me. If you want to FaceTime, we can do that. If you got more requests for pictures or videos, just let me know. Hope to hear from you on this. Hit the like button, please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. And you can find us on Facebook. We have a page there, Rogers Motor Cars. So thanks for watching.